I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Il y avait deux pneus.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's the last drive in the blue car. I'm taking the last drive in the blue car. The blue car is leaving us today. Oh, you guys saw my sister-in-law yesterday, but I didn't tell you why she's here. So we're giving this car away to my sister-in-law. I'm happy it's going to be in good hands. My little blue baby. So we're heading to the garage with it right now. The regular checkup on it to make sure everything is good before she head off on the road with it today. So that's where we're heading, and then we're just gonna hang out at the mall a bit until the work is done. It should take like an hour or so. So that's what we're doing today. And then she's gonna leave and head back home later. The kids were happy to have her drop them to school this morning, especially Tyler. Yeah, so that's what we're up to right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. You guys didn't see the kids before they leave out this morning, but you'll be sure to see them later. Sister-in-law and hubby's here. They're there chit-chatting. So we're on the road. I brought her here this morning into you guys will see her when we reach our destination. Anyway guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys on the road in the streets. Look at us. You guys, we dropped the car and they told us 1 hour and a half, and then they called us back and told us that it's gonna take like 3 hours. So we're here just walking around in stores and buying things that we don't even need. But look at them. You see them? Dis bonjour.
Bonjour.
Non, non.
600 euros, ça suffit. Je pense à 600, je dois trouver. Le gagning, c'est surtout pour aller vite, tout ça.
We're just walking around in the mall. We're gonna kill 3 hours. We need to find somewhere to eat lunch, and I know exactly what I want for lunch. I want KFC. I need hot wings, lots of it. Hot wings. You guys, I must tell you that I finally, this way, that way, I finally opened the Slap Your Mama hot pepper sauce that I bring back from USA 2 years ago. I think it's 2 years ago or a year ago, and it is the worst hot pepper sauce I've ever tasted. I don't know what the social media hype was about, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. And I don't even think that I don't even think that I'll ever try to put that on my food again, because it even changed the flavor of my food. I don't like it at all. I couldn't stop complaining when I opened the sauce about 2-3 days ago. It's terrible. It's the worst tasting sauce ever. Well, that's my rant. That sauce is not worth the hype. If you guys is ever wondering if you want to buy that sauce, not worth it. I guess because I know what good sauce tastes like, so good hot pepper sauce tastes like, why I don't appreciate that one at all. Anyway, let's go get some KFC, shall we? Allez, mais...
Il y a pas de la ramasseuse de balai.
Il a lancé carrément. Non, vas-y, t'inquiète.
Viens. Attends, je suis fatiguée, moi. Oh my god, I'm tired. Wait. Oh no no! No! Ah, c'est perdu. Ah, c'est fini.
Regarde le score.
Ah, 5-1. Baby, baby, so much your score.
No, but we started.
Ah.
No, I forgot.
So the truth is, you guys, Babe and I got back home with my sister-in-law. The kids got picked up from school. We picked them up. We made dinner. We had dinner. Put them to bed. Did our whole afternoon routine, and I did not pick up the camera once because I was so busy and didn't even realize I wasn't filming. It happens sometimes. So to be honest, this is all you guys will be getting for today. Baby Blue is gone and is in good hands. So no more blue car. It's gone. Sister-in-law actually reached home safe and all is well. And yeah, so you guys won't see the kids today, sadly. Sorry. But I promise you will see them tomorrow. So give this a bit. Oh, Babe and I, after playing this game, we played laser game. I'll insert the photo so you guys can see. Of course, in the laser room we couldn't film because we were too busy shooting each other, and we couldn't carry anything at all into the room while we were playing. It was such a good date. We had so much fun, and yeah, so that's all we did. The day actually turned out to be a fun day date. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up. Deuces.